may goodies tayo from our LAZADA haul. So, yung panihintay nyo, matik na yan. Unbox na natin to. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Topi Manalo po. And here we are to unbox our latest delivery from LAZADA. Ito po yung AIGO AR12 RGB case fan kit. In-order po natin yan dito kay AIGO flagship store. And if you're interested to know kung ano yung product, how much, and kung saan makikita, nilagay ko po yung link doon sa description down below. So, just click it and go ahead and check it out. Quick specs po muna tayo bago natin tuluyang buksan yung box. Fan dimension po ng AIGO AR12 RGB case fan kit ay 120 by 120 by 25 mm. Ang fan speed po niya is 1,200 RPM and meron po siyang 24 dBA sa noise level. Ang air volume naman po nito is at 48 CFM running on hydro bearing. Rated po siya at 12 volts with the power of 4.2 watts running on 0.16 amperes. Based on the specs, ang lifespan po niya ay 20,000 hours. And it can be connected directly to your SATA cable na Molex adapter. Also, it supports the 5 volts 3-pin ARGB motherboards, yung mga ASUS, MSI, and other motherboards that has an ARGB header. It comes with an anti-shock pad design dun sa mga sides niya, on both sides, to reduce yung resonance and para yung operation niya is talagang tahimik. Yung design niya ng fan blade has been improved also to lower yung noise and bring more airflow. It has a 7-blade design. So, let's go ahead. Unbox na po natin. Okay? So, basically, yung box niya is the standard box na pinapack nila. Mukhang okay naman, mukhang protected. So, yan. Makikita niyo yung box ng AIGO. So, this is the 5-in-1. Ang in-order kong kit is yung 5-in-1. So, we will expect 5 fans, case fans na included sa loob. Sticker pa pala siya. Okay. Sealed yung product. So, talagang alam nyo na brand nyo yung product na nakukuha nyo. Bitin natin. Yan. So, pag open ng box, this is what you'll get. AIGO. Yan. It's a small piece ng AIGO manual. So, here you have in a anti-static packaging is the you have your fan screws para ikabit sa fan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fan screws. And of course, yung remote control, remote control. Your this is your controller, so you can connect 10 case fans dito sa controller na to, and it comes with your SATA cable. So this is the 5 volt SATA cable. Also, it comes with your, kita nyo ba? Ayan. It comes with a 5 volts 3-pin ARGB connector. Ito yung para doon sa mga motherboards niya. Okay, and okay. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans. Maganda yung quality niya, and each fan has a 6-pin connector, approximately siguro mga a foot and a half. Each controller can house 10 fans. So kung yung sa mga malalaki na casing, 10 fans ang kasya dun sa casing ninyo with one controller. So that's all inside the box. Kapit kaya natin. Kapit natin. Okay, teka lang. So yan guys, naikabit ko siya ngayon temporarily. Pasensya na kayo sa box ha. Naganap kasi ako ng papatungan para maipakita ko sa inyo lahat na umiikot sila. And buksan natin. Yun. Ganda ng kulay, ang liwanag. And of course, pwede naman nating i-dim yan. Yan. So nadidim yung color niya. Yung brightness niya, sorry. Na liliwanagan din. Okay. Pwede rin pagpalit-palitin ng color using the remote. Of course, yung standard na mga colors natin na nasa remote. Yan. And yung RGB mode naman. Okay. So, overall, no? I would say it's a good buy. It's a bang for the buck, and so far sa 5-fan kit, siya yung nakita kong parang price na hindi masyadong mahal. 10 days yung delivery before it arrives sa akin from the time na in-order ko. Given na galing siya sa China, syempre the usual na customs checking. At the same time kasi, ang mga items ngayon na nanggagaling sa ibang bansa dinidisinfect pa nila. Kaya tumatagal talaga sa customs. So 10 days, okay na sa paghihintay. First impression ko, mukhang maganda. I can't wait to build my PC ngayon. Kayo, what do you think of the AIGO AR12 RGB fan kit? Okay ba siya? Pasok ba sa budget? Sakto lang ba yung pricing? Comment kayo down below and let me know kung anong tingin nyo, and kung if you own the product, sabihin nyo na rin sa akin yung feedback nyo at experience. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, hit the like button. And kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe bago kayo rito sa channel ko, subscribe na kayo, and yung maliit na bell, click nyo na rin yung notification bell natin para updated kayo. Isang item na lang, mabubuo na yung PC natin. Again, this is Topi Manalo, and maraming salamat po. Takits po tayo ulit, ha? Peace out. Hindi ko abot.